Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add song to Instagram post after posting it. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you, it is an informative video. So let's head over to our Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to post your reel, and then head over to your profile. Then just head over to reel and create your first reel. Once you're there, just add any reel you want. Click on next, and share. Suppose you have posted this reel and you want to add music to it, so head over to your profile and click on that specific link, and then click on the three dots icon, and then click on manage, and then go to edit. Here, go to advanced settings. Here you can see there is no option to add music, and go back, and here also you can see there is no option to add music. So you must add music while you are posting it, otherwise unfortunately you have to delete it. So hope this information will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.